Starter removal. All right. Working with one hand and recording with one hand. It's fun. Starter removal. Did I mention this machine also has a fuel delivery issue? This is going to be a fun one. First things first. First things first, let's remove the starter. Alright. Oh my gosh, which wire do I take off? That one? No. There we go. Found it. For those of you worried if I disconnected the battery, there is no battery. I guess they took it out and used it on a different machine. Alright. I guess I didn't really have to take that off of there. Oh, man. All right. It's off of there. Quick recap. Bearings, starter, coolant issue, and a fuel delivery.